Did you know the Bose ToneMatch T4S and T8S mixers are perfect audio interfaces for capturing your performance and streaming it to the internet on platforms like Facebook and Instagram Live? In this video, I'm going to show you. The Bose ToneMatch T4S and T8S have an onboard USB interface that streams its stereo outputs directly into your computer via a USB connection. The first thing you'll want to do is make all the physical connections. Connect the power cables, but do not power up yet, to your computer and to the Bose ToneMatch T4S mixer via the Bose ToneMatch power supply. You can also power the ToneMatch T4S from a Bose L1S or Model 2 loudspeaker system. Next, plug the microphone cable into your microphone using the female XLR cable end. With the other end of the cable, plug the male XLR microphone connector into input 1 on the ToneMatch T4S mixer. Last, we will connect the USB cable. The USB-B connector end will plug into the back of the ToneMatch mixer's USB-B port. The other end of the cable with the USB-A connector will connect into your computer's USB port. Now that you've made your hardware connections, we will walk through your computer's system setup, and we will show you for both Mac and PC computers. Turn on the AC electrical power to your Mac or PC, and the ToneMatch T4S mixer. Make sure the USB connection to your computer is done first before turning on the computer. This ensures the smoothest setup. Open the system preferences. Select Sound, and make sure that the ToneMatch T4S is set as both your input device and your output device. On a PC, simply hit the Windows key, type the word Sound, and select Sound Settings. In Sound Settings, make sure that the drop-downs have selected the Bose ToneMatch T4S for both input and output. So now that we have everything connected, it's time to take a look at the mixer settings. We need to shift our rotary encoder to Preferences, and then turn our menu dial to USB to PC. We're going to select that. We want to make sure left and right both say Master. Stay on Preferences and go to Input Level. Once here, we can see that when I talk into my microphone, I'm not getting much level there. I want to turn up my trim knob for the channel that I've connected my source to, and I'm going to stick right around the 1 o'clock position here. We're going to stay on Preferences, and we're going to adjust to the output level setting. Select that, and you can see here that I don't have anything on my USB left and right. Let's bring up my volume here, and you'll start to hear me from this microphone. Now here, I want to make sure I'm hitting about that 75% mark. So let's switch to the tone match setting, and here we're going to turn on the setting, which right now is just flat. I'm going to select vocal mics, as this is a vocal mic, but if you're plugging a guitar or anything else, please choose that instrument. Now under preset, I'm going to change to the Shure SM57 microphone. And there we go. And you've heard that the tone of my voice has changed a little bit. It actually sounds much better because we've applied the preset for the Shure SM57. Next, we're going to take a look at the streaming settings in Facebook Live. Go to the Create Post section and select Live Video. Currently on my computer and this version of Facebook, this is found under the 3 dots indicating more options. Now under your audio and video settings, you can select which camera you'd like to use. If your computer has a built-in camera, I would recommend using that one. For audio, select the drop-down and choose the T4S or T8S ToneMatch. Scroll up to fill your entire window with your camera monitor. If all looks good, select Go Live at the bottom left corner. Facebook will confirm that you're live, and you'll be able to monitor the video and audio upload at the bottom of your screen. Congratulations! You are now ready to stream your performance out to the world so that they can enjoy it. If you'd like to learn how to monitor your mix, check out our other ToneMatch videos covering it. And be sure to check out our other Bose technologies. Thanks for joining us.